It's really important that you have your farm's milking times set up correctly in Protrack. Click on Menu, Settings, then Farm Practices. Here you can set how often you milk. In this case, I'm going to leave it twice a day. You can set up when you milk in the morning. We recommend you set this time half an hour before the girls come in. So for a 5 AM milking, I'm going to set this to 4:30. And for a 2 PM milking, I want to set this for 1:30. That's all set up, done. Now it's always really important that after making changes like this, you click save down here.